Students, in our previous classes, we studied various life processes such as nutrition, respiration, excretion, sensation, response, control, and coordination. All these processes are essential for an organism to stay alive. But apart from these, there is one more important life process known as reproduction. Reproduction does not help an individual organism to survive, but it is very important because it helps in maintaining the continuity of the species. Without reproduction, life on Earth would eventually come to an end. Definition of asexual reproduction. The process of formation of a new organism from a single parent without the involvement of gametes is called asexual reproduction. Since there is no fusion of male and female gametes, the newly formed organism is genetically identical to the parent. Let us understand the important characteristics of asexual reproduction. The first is, it involves only one parent. This is called uniparental reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs by mitotic cell division. No genetic recombination occurs during this process. The main advantage is that it is a fast process. This allows for rapid population growth. Disadvantage, no variation is produced, so adaptability is low. Asexual reproduction takes place in unicellular and multicellular organisms. In the next lecture, we will study in detail the different types of asexual reproduction that occur in unicellular organisms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.